What happens to your body when you drink detox water for weight loss? Picture this: a humble glass of water infused with the vibrant colors and flavors of fresh fruits, herbs, and spices. It's not just a feast for the eyes, but a boon for your body too. Surprisingly, this simple concoction, known as detox water, can be an ally in your weight loss journey. But how, you ask? Let's unravel the mystery together. First things first, detox water helps to speed up the metabolism. When your metabolic rate is high, your body burns calories at a faster pace, even when you're not working out. The fruits and spices you add to the water are rich in enzymes that help to boost metabolism and reduce bloating. Next, detox water aids in the elimination of toxins from the body. The human body is like a well-oiled machine, but sometimes toxins can clog up the system. Detox water can help flush these toxins out, allowing your body to function more efficiently. This, in turn, aids in weight loss. Thirdly, the ingredients in detox water are known to suppress appetite. When you're not feeling overly hungry, you're less likely to overeat or indulge in unhealthy snacking, which is a common hurdle in weight loss. Lastly, detox water helps to keep you hydrated. Many times, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to eat when we're actually just thirsty. By keeping yourself hydrated with detox water, you're less likely to fall into this trap. So, in a nutshell, detox water boosts metabolism, eliminates toxins, suppresses appetite, and keeps you hydrated. It's like a 4-in-1 solution for weight loss. And the best part? You can make it at home, with ingredients right from your kitchen. Did you find this information helpful? If so, do give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, every step you take towards healthier choices counts. So, grab that glass of detox water and embark on your weight loss journey today.